How to use Meta Business Suite app. First, tap the Meta Business app to launch it. Here you will land on your dashboard where you can view your key metrics like post performance, messages and notification. Tap the plus icon at the bottom. Here add media and either publish post, reels or story. Now click on the three horizontal lines icon at the bottom right corner. Select the Insight option to track your audience engagement, reach and performance of the post. This will help you to make data-driven decisions. Scroll down and tap on the See More to access detailed analytics for each platform. Again, go back to the Tools section and click on the Settings. Here you can manage user, business information and connect additional accounts. Now go back to your home screen and tap on the Inbox tab. You can reply to customer messages and comments from both Facebook and Instagram all in one place. So this is how to use Meta Business Suite app.